Hey, what is up guys, my name is Eric and welcome to a CSGO movie making tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your kill feed from this into this. Let's get started. So to begin with this tutorial, you're going to first need a few things. You're going to need a movie making config. If you don't have one, mine is linked in the description. I'm going to have two versions of it. One is for those that use the source in-game engine to record their clips as screenshots, and the second one is going to be for those that use an external program like Shadowplay or Fraps or whatever to record their clips. And the second thing you're going to be needing is HLAE alongside with, of course, CSGO installed. So download link for everything, for everything will be in description down below, so don't worry about that. You're also going to need to follow these steps. I'm going to link have them in the description, or maybe even the notepad itself, so you can save for later if you need that. And yeah, I'm just going to have this in the background just in case I mess something up. But yeah, so the first step is going to be to open up HLAE, going to Tools, Developer and Custom Loader. You're going to want to set up your HLAE. If you're doing this for the first time, then the hook DLL is going to be the AFX hook source, and the program path is going to be csgo.exe, which is in your Steam default library or path or whatever. In the command line, you're not going to want to change anything really. You can add some stuff, like I added a minus no border, so I record in Windows, so I don't want to have a border around it. But yeah, basically you don't really have to add anything here, so you're going to just want to click on OK. Now this is going to load up CSGO, which can take a little bit if your computer is not that beefy like mine, so I'll be right back. Alright, once CSGO has loaded up, you're going to want to open up console and execute your movie making config. Pretty much this tutorial is going to revolve around my movie making config, so I can't really talk about anyone else's movie making config because I'm not using theirs. So I'm sorry if this tutorial doesn't work the way that you wanted to with your config or whatever. Actually the config doesn't really matter that much because it's, yeah, whatever. So pretty much you're going to want to open a console and execute your movie making config if you're using one. If you're not, that's fine too. Make sure that your graphical settings are set to the highest to get the best quality, I guess. But yeah, that's not necessary for this tutorial. You're going to want to you're going to want to launch up your demo by pressing Shift plus F2, click on Load, and then choosing your demo. I'm going to be using let's use this one. And it's good to have the decrate in the name of the demo, as well as the name of the player, and maybe even what's going on in the demo. So anyways, we're going to remember this decrate 93,700, and we're going to launch up the demo itself, which is going to take a little bit, so I'll be right back. Alright, so once you loaded up your demo and you skipped ahead to where the action itself starts, you're going to want to, if you're using my movie making config, you're going to want to press space to start and stop the playback of the demo. You're going to want to make sure that you are spectating the correct player. For me it's number 3, the Baby Rage. And again, if you're using my movie config, you're going to want to press up arrow to get rid of all of the HUD and everything else unnecessary. Now you're going to want to open up your console once more and type in mirv_death message space debug space 1. This is going to I'm going to show you what it's going to do in a minute. So now you're going to want to just skip ahead to where he actually kills someone. Also, if you're using my config, you can press N to get rid of the glow outline of players. And I'm really sorry about the background noise. Okay, let's wait till he kills someone. Okay, as you can see in the kill feed, Baby Rage killed 2 guys, so we're going to want to open up console and you can see this. Now from here we are mainly after this number, the UID attacker. So we're going to copy not really copy, we don't really need to copy, we're just going to memorize number 9 as the killer ID. And now we're going to open up Shift plus F2 to open up the demo playback, and we're going to press on this button to get to the very beginning of the round, so it doesn't so we get back to before the action starts, so we have a little bit of time to enter in the commands. We're just going to wait for it to go back. Now you're going to want to open up console and pause the demo before you do that, and you're going to want to enter in these commands. And you're going to want to replace the hashtags with the killer ID, so number 9 for me. I'm going to press enter. Make sure you have the asterisk, space and asterisk. These are very important things in the command. Now you're going to want to enter this in, and again replace the hashtags with the killer ID. And now the last command is going to be this one. This is going to determine the length of how long the kill feed is going to last. So I usually put it at 99 seconds. You can set it for longer, you can set it for less time, it doesn't really matter. Once you have the settings set, you're going to want to close the console, and you're going to want to go ahead and play the demo, and wait till the demo reaches the tick rate or whatever where the action actually starts. So let's keep playing the demo. Also sorry about lag or any background noise that you can hear. I'm really sorry about that. I can't really do anything about it. So now we're still waiting. It's going to start in a little bit. And about now. No, you're going to want to press up arrow if you're using my config, and then space to unpause if you're paused the demo. And yeah, just look at the kill feed at the top right. You can instantly notice a difference. It's only showing the guy that we wanted to show the kill feed for, only him. And also the kill feed is going to be highlighted with a red outline around his name, the icons, and the name of the enemy that he killed. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button down below, it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions for either future videos or whatever, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.